Hi, I'm Angie Liwanag. I'm one of the Global Marketing Directors of Lifestyles Philippines. Let me share with you the true concept of success. For a lot of people, success means money. It's true, because if you have financial freedom, you can be considered successful. But money is not enough. You should be healthy, because health is wealth. The third parameter of success is relationships. This parameter is very important. There are three components of this parameter: your relationship with the people you love, your relationship with the people who betrayed you, those whom you hate, and because unforgiveness is involved to those people whom you hate, you also have self-unforgiveness. That's why many people are depriving themselves of success. The last parameter is life's purpose. This parameter impacts our relationship with our Creator. We are created for a purpose. Thereby, we need to find our life's purpose. Among the four parameters of success, the top priority should be the first parameter: finances. Why? Because it simply impacts the three other parameters. If you are financially free, you can afford to be healthy. If you are financially free, you can afford to have meaningful relationships. And being financially free always involves finding your life's purpose. These four parameters of success is a game called life. This is the game we play. In every game, there is always a goal. Our goal is, of course, to win. Like athletes, if they want to win, they have a coach. But since our game is a game of life and we are prioritizing our finances, we want to be wealthy. That's why we need a wealth coach. In Lifestyles, I found my wealth coach. She is financially free. I trusted her because she is healthy. She also has meaningful relationships. And most importantly, she taught me to find my life's purpose. Life has never been the same again. I am now living the dream, the kind of life that most people dream of. I was able to acquire real estate properties on prime locations. I was able to buy brand new cars, one of which is a luxury SUV. I experienced traveling multiple destinations, locally and internationally. And I can never forget the joy every time I travel with my family. Frequent family get-together are now possible. I am now in my optimal health condition. I eat healthy, think healthy, and live healthy. My life before was full of challenges. Since I found my life's purpose, I now understand why it happened. Today, my life is an inspiration to people who are facing challenges. I am able to inspire them that they too can become successful. This is Global Marketing Director Angie Liwanag of Lifestyles Philippines. Thank you.